Hi, I'm Tom Glaser, author of Full Heart Living, and one of the things I discovered right off the bat is that happier people take really good care of their bodies. They move their bodies with joy and they feed it really nutritious things. So I'm sharing some of my favorite recipes that I use on an everyday basis. Here's one I hope you enjoy. So one of the things I'm often looking for is a healthy, nutritious drink that doesn't have too much sugar. And just this summer, I discovered an amazing one. It's a natural watermelon lemonade. So I've filled up a blender with cubed watermelon. This is just maybe, it's not even a quarter of a big watermelon. And I have already squeezed a half a lemon, and I'm squeezing the other half. So it's watermelon, the juice of one lemon. Just pour that in. Blend it up. All right, I just pour this in a cup. If you want, you can garnish with a little bit of fresh mint. Refreshing and so good for you. Try it out. Enjoy.